YouTubies. Alright, tonight we are going to attempt to try cat food. Since our kitty died, we have 2 cans of cat food left. So we're going to taste test and see what they taste like. So here goes.
Still miss her kitty.
Got my finger caught in the gooey. Do you need nothing?
Not yet.
Alright, I got one ready for you in case.
Probably be better with bread.
Cat food, yeah. That's for sure. I need to bring your bread in though. Alright. So here it goes. This is the Fancy Feast Gravy Lovers. Here's what it looks like. Yummy, right? Oh.
This ain't that bad. Said it'd be better with bread.
Turd?
Ain't you gonna finish?
No! My drink. Ah! You switched out?
Oh, you wanted me to eat that can? That was cat food.
Give me a bite of that. Oh.
Now she wants mine. Probably tastes the same.
Oh, actually, this tastes better. Still got some back there. Ah!
She's eating my food.
You're a turd. You are a turd. You know that? Ah. Supposed to have ate from that can.
But I have this one. Love you.
Love you. What's the matter? You want to kiss me on my lips? Hmm?
You might taste like cat food. Hi, YouTube.
Well, those of you that are new to my channel, hi. This is my hubby, Anthony, my brat.
And this is my wifey, Victoria.
Don't you have that innocent look? You try a bite. Well, okay. So much for that taste test. Get a drink.
Unfortunately, it's only lemonade.
I gotta say, how do cats eat this?
Well, she was picky. She'd only eat the gravy. Maybe you should try the gravy.
Yeah, that is true. Our cat, before she died, the whole time we had her, the 3 years we had her, she was super, super picky. She would not, on any brands of cat food I'd ever got her.
You're getting ready to dump it.
Oops. Any cans of cat food I'd ever got her, she wouldn't actually eat the food. She'd only eat the gravy of any brand. So yeah, I'll try just the gravy.
Mr. Kitty.
Oh, me too. Really badly.
This was the best kitty we ever had.
For real. It's like, this is the most we've ever missed a kitty. It's like she was more family than any kitty we'd ever had.
You used to love to snuggle. And
The gravy's not as bad, but still. Yeah, out of the corner of our eyes, we still think we keep seeing her and everything. I loved, she annoyed me sometimes, but I loved when she'd come up and snuggle with me in the middle of the night. I still got cat food in my teeth. Snuggle with me in the middle of the night, sticking that cold, wet nose of hers in my face. It's like, or the little, she came up to us and every once in a while, like a little kid, do the pat pat. To get our attention. Things like that. I guess this is a way of dedication to Snuggle Bug. We miss you, girl. So,
yeah, we do.
So
it's me. We've got nectar for Norwegian forest cat. It's a kitten. They want to give it to us. Sure.
yeah, that's what she was. Norwegian forest cat. Beautiful. So, anywho,
Should put a picture of her.
that's what I do. That's what I do. So, all right. Before I start crying, welcome to all the new subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. Check out my Teespring page if you're interested. And
Vikki.
no, eat your cat food.
You ate part of mine.
And your point.
Told you a better bread.
Now I get what you were meaning. So, alrighty. Catch you guys later.
Yeah,
Bye-bye.
it's kind of slow sometimes.
Kiss my booty. Alright, bye-bye.
Love you.
You better love me.